Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to turn off Facebook activity tracking. So to do that, let's head over to the steps I'm going to show you. So open the Facebook app or website and go to your profile icon, usually on the top right corner, and select settings and privacy and then go to settings. In the your information section, click on Facebook activity and click on manage future activity and toggle off future of Facebook activity to prevent Facebook from collecting data about your activity on other websites and apps. You can also clear your past of Facebook activity history to remove previously collected data according to the Indian Express. So yeah, this is how you can just turn off Facebook activity tracking. Hope this video will help you out. If you just found any problem regarding this, just comment down below and we'll reach out to you. We'll see you in the next video.